guys, welcome back to Let's Grow Together. In today's video we are going to see Euclid algorithm. So we have to find GCD for 5264, 15472 using Euclid algorithm. So always remember the value of A must be greater than B. If the given question is not in that form, you have to change the values. Okay. So it will become as GCD of 15472, 5264. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to write this 5264 in the place of A, and you have to write this 15472 mod 5264. In the similar way, you have to repeat the process. If you take modulo for these two values, you will be getting 4944. For the next step, what you are going to do, 4944 will be taken into the place of A, and for finding B, what we are going to do, 5264 mod 4944. Similarly, you have to repeat the process until the value of B becomes 0. When the value of B becomes 0, you have to return the value of A. So what's the answer? Finally 16. So now let us see about extended Euclid algorithm. Here first let us see these 8 steps. Okay. So what is the first step? We have to initialize A1, A2, A3 as in the form of 1, 0 and M. Okay. And for the B, it's B1, B2, B3. We have to assign 0, 1, B. And if B3 is equal to 0, you have to return there is no inverse or no inverse. If B3 is equal to 1, then you have to return B2 equal to B inverse mod M. Now in order to find the Q value, you are going to find the floor of A3 by B3. What does floor mean? If the value is 3.6, you are going to 3. Least value will be considered. After figuring it out, you have to find the values of T1, T2, T3. For finding T1, the formula is A1 minus QB1. For T2, A2 minus QB2. For T3, A3 minus QB3. After finding all these values, now what you have to do? You have to reinitialize the values of A1, A2, A3 to B1, B2, B3. For B1, B2, B3, you have to initialize values of T1, T2, T3, and you have to continue this process until you get either B3 as 0 or 1. Okay. Now let us see how to find multiplicative inverse for 826 and 2789 using extended Euclid algorithm. The first value given will be the B, and the second value given will be the M values. So that is what here I have written. After doing that, what we have to do, we have to assign values. For A1, A2, A3, the values will be 1, 0 and M. M is 2789. For B1, B2, B3, 0, 1 and B, 826. Now what we have to do, we have to find the value of Q. What will be the value of Q? We have to find floor of A3 by B3, 2789 by 826. You have to take floor. Okay, 3 will be the value. After that, what you have to do, you have to find the values of T1, T2, T3. What is the formula? A1 minus QB1. What is the value of A1 minus, what is the value of 3 into B1? 0. If you do, you will be getting 1. Similarly for T2 and T3. After you finding values, then you have to draw the table. So here what we are writing, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, Q, T1, T2, T3. So 1, 0, 2789, 0, 1, 826, 3, 1, minus 3, 311. All these values we have found over here. After that, what we have to do, we have to assign the values of A1, A2, A3 to what values? B1, B2, B3. What do I exactly mean is, B1 value will be stored in A1, B2 will be stored in A2, B3 will be stored in A3. 0, 1, 826. For B1, the value of T1 will be assigned. So what is the value? 1. Minus 3, 311. Minus 3, 311. Okay. Then you have to find the value of Q using the formula A3 by B3, and you have to take floor for it. After finding it, again you have to find T1, T2 and T3 using the same formulas. Once you find them, you have to repeat the process until the B3 value becomes either 1 or 0. Since it is 1 here, we are going to return the value of B2, which is 834. If B3 is 0, then you are going to return there is no multiplicative inverse. Okay. For much more content, just follow Let's Grow Together. If you are having any doubts, don't forget to comment it down. I will give you reply.